Welcome to today's segment on the latest USDA export report, focusing on significant shifts in the US soy commodity markets. This analysis, based on the USDA data for the week ending December 5, 2024, reveals diverging trends among soybean products. This week, we've seen a marked contraction in soybean exports. Total net sales recorded were 1,173,800 metric tons, reflecting a stark 49% drop from last week and 42% below the 4-week average. This decline was particularly influenced by significant reductions to unknown destinations and minimal offtakes by Iraq. However, robust sales to China, Spain, and Mexico were notable exceptions. The total exports of soybeans also dipped to 1,859,100 metric tons, marking a decrease of 24% from last week and 19% from the average of the previous 4 weeks. Major destinations like China, Spain, and Turkey were the top importers, though overall volume decreased. Soybean meal sales weren't spared, plummeting to 176,300 metric tons, a 36% decrease from last week and 47% below the average. The downturn was led by decreased sales to Canada, Vietnam, and Panama, although Mexico and Venezuela bucked the trend with sizable purchases. The soybean meal exports summed up to 295,300 metric tons, descending by 29% compared to the previous week and staying 9% under the average of the preceding month, with Mexico and Venezuela being the primary destinations. In contrast, soybean oil showed a remarkable recovery with net sales of 63,800 metric tons, surging 40% above the 4-week average. This uptick was driven by significant demand from South Korea, India, and Mexico. However, the export volume saw a reduction to 15,800 metric tons, a sharp decrease of 59% from last week, yet holding slightly above the average. As we move forward, soybean oil appears poised to sustain its export momentum. However, the soybean and meal segments might grapple with variable demand and heightened competitive pressures. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor these trends and their potential impacts on the global commodity markets. Thank you for joining today's analysis, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful updates on agricultural commodities.